up? My name is Lizzie. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a closet clean out slash try on slash getting rid of things. Getting rid of this. That's the first thing to go. If you are new here, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Alright, so I thought I'd show you guys a little before and after of what my closet looks like. So here is kind of like a little jewelry corner. I have some necklaces and everything, jewelry box, some crop tops. Under here I have like sunglasses, I guess a random sock, and then coats. And then under my coats I have, I don't know, like filming gear right here, some old swimsuit, but coats there, sweaters, and then I have like underwear and stuff. And then these are my t-shirts, shoes, and I have this little shoe rack, which is really helpful. All my shirts, dresses, you know, whatever, like hung up stuff right here, suitcase. I need to clean out this corner because there's just some random clothes in there. Then I have socks and swimsuits. This is skirts, shorts, sweatpants, crop top, jeans, and then more like pants, and then some workout gear. And then above, I have all my sweatshirts. I'm definitely gonna get rid of some stuff, but we have our work cut out for us. All right. So first thing, when I'm like organizing, I like to take all the hangers and put them on one side. Okay, so for the shirts above me, I think I'm going to put things that I want to keep on this side, and then things I need to try on just like on the floor here. This shirt is so cool, but I never wear it. Also in the pile that's like try on, it's gonna be like try on or crop or like change in some way. Then I'm gonna have a pile where I'm just like donating and getting rid of stuff too. This I should probably try on. Oh my gosh, I don't think I've ever worn this. I used to wear this dress all the time, and it's cute. It's like a t-shirt dress. The pile is getting kind of big already. That's what I like to see. I'm trying to get rid of some things because like I just don't wear all of this stuff. There's no point in me keeping it. This I just got. Oh, this I just got. This is really cute little romper thing. This is new. This I'm keeping, obviously. This is pretty new. This, I don't wear this very often. Into the pile. This I never wear. I should just get rid of this, but I'll try it on. This I wear sometimes. This I never wear. All right, now that the state of my closet is completely messed up, let's go through this pile in my bedroom. Some of these coats, like this one for example, this is just ugly. Like I don't know why I bought it. This one's fine. This one, like I like it sometimes. And then the rest of them, I think I'm gonna keep the rest of them. Like I don't really have a problem with any of these. Set you down on this mound of clothes. So yeah, lately I have been wanting to switch up my style a little bit. I did actually go thrifting today. I didn't buy a lot, but I got a couple really cute things. I just have a lot of items that I've just been holding on to, and I'm like, I'll wear this, I'll wear this, I'll make an outfit out of it. You know, I'll buy something just to make it go, or maybe it'll fit me someday. Maybe I'll shrink like my height. Like I'm happy with like my body size and everything, but I'm a tall person, so it's actually like hard for me to find clothes that fit me well and that I want to wear all the time. I don't think I'm gonna go through my sweatshirts. I don't really foresee getting rid of a lot of like my winter wear just because I like sweatshirts. Like I kind of am a little collector of sweatshirts. For reference, this is what I'm wearing today. All right, so we're gonna start with some dresses and go from there. My issue with this dress is it's very, very short. I mean, I like the top and everything. Like I could give this a chance and wear this like on vacation only, but it's really, really short. Like I can't bend over at all in it, and I don't like dresses like that. All right, I didn't have to try this one on. I knew I was getting rid of it. Check that out. Now I bought this with the promise that I would be having a Jersey Shore themed party at some point, but alas, it never happened. Empty promises, broken hearts, and no J Shore party for me. but I'm not gonna keep it. Okay, this dress, I love the color. I mean, the fit's fine. It just is way too short once again. Like, I really want this one to work, but it doesn't. I mean, maybe I could make this into like a shirt or something, but I don't have a sewing machine and I don't think this fabric would do well being cut. It has this little slit. It's just like the back is just really short. Okay, this dress honestly like brings back memories. Like, I'm very attached to this dress because I wore it in high school all the time. It has pockets. It's pretty comfortable. It is on the shorter side, but it's like still pretty safe. It's just like not really in style anymore, and it's not very like flattering. Okay, next I have this button down, like double breast pocket button down, and it's kind of like slit. I think I'm actually gonna keep this. It's from a really nice brand, and like it's really lightweight. It's nice. I could wear it to like work. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this one actually. All right, this next shirt, it's not ugly or anything, and I kind of like that it's like asymmetrical, like it has these long sides on it. Dang, I actually kind of like this. Maybe I'll keep this. I thought I wanted to get rid of it because I don't wear it very often, but I should wear it more often. All right, so not gonna lie, it's really hot out today and I don't want to try everything on. I know what most of these pieces look like on me, so I'm just gonna go through the rest kind of one by one here. This shirt, it's kind of like skater. The sleeves are really tight and uncomfortable, and I just like, I don't like things that are this tight because like I'm a sweaty person and I just don't enjoy that for me, so I'm gonna give that one away. This I feel like was kind of like a trend, I guess, like these cropped sweatshirts, and it has a hood, and I like the color, but I just never wear this. These items I knew I was gonna get rid of. Like, why did I even, I'm not really sure why I bought this in the first place. Not really sure what I was planning on doing with that. This, I just don't like this. I don't know why I picked this up. This shirt, I actually have two of these shirts. Maybe I could crop this. I actually kind of like the pattern on it. And then this, like, this is kind of cute, but also it's like not really me. It's like a green dress, like a work dress, but it slightly like does not fit me very well. Like, it's a little too wide for me, and the armpits are like really high up. It like rubs. It's just not really comfortable. So I think I'm gonna donate or give away. This, I just never wear this. I kind of like it though. Maybe I'll keep it. This is like that scalloped on, like the scallop pattern on the bottom and on the sides here on the arms. And just the color's not really me. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just put that in the give pile. Look at these piles, they're getting pretty big. Okay, so this is like definitely get rid of, like I don't want this stuff. And then this I might like cut or crop or like cut the sleeves off or something. Like, I definitely wanna do something with this dress because I really like the top of it. It's just too short for me, but I think I could make it into like a cute small top. Okay, I don't know why I'm debating so hard on keeping this or not. Like, right now, I work from home, so I don't really get dressed up to go to work, and I haven't been into the office in like 3 weeks. And like, even when I go to the office, I don't wear this kind of stuff. But just if I were to ever get another job that's a little bit more professional, then maybe I would need something like this, but maybe I'll just buy something new if I'm getting that kind of job, because I really just don't like how this looks. Okay, this sweatshirt, I swear I've had this forever. I used to wear it all the time. Like, I think I've had this since high school. And it's just like a cropped sweatshirt, but I just kind of hate cropped sweatshirts. So I like the color, but I think I am gonna part with this one. This like top, I just honestly, like, it's kind of sweaty, and I just think like I wouldn't sell this or anything, but I think I'm just gonna get rid of this one. I don't love it. It's not very comfortable. I don't know why I bought this, honestly. This shirt, I wish these fit me because they actually look really, really good. These sweatpants. And they did fit me. I mean, I can get them on and everything, but there's like a little hole in the butt now, and it's like a little too noticeable to be wearing. So probably gonna have to toss these, even though they are very cute. This is just ugly. All right, this top, it's just seen better days. I just think I need to toss this one. need I say more? I made quite a bit of progress just now, kind of getting rid of some stuff. I'm happy with that. And then this is my pile of stuff I'm gonna keep. All right, I'm gonna organize this, kind of color code it a little bit. It's not gonna be perfect, but it'll be good enough. I've been looking for an answer in your inner eye. I've been pulling back the curtains of your paradise. I've been killing all my instincts in the suicide. I've been killing all the instincts in the suicide. I've been holding to your words like I'm a kid again. I've been waving in your face just so you won't forget. I've been killing all my instincts in the suicide. I've been killing all my instincts in the suicide. All right, not bad. It's not perfect as in like color coordination, but it works. Some of the longer stuff I do have to kind of put at the end just to keep it out of the way, but finished one rack. All right, let's organize these crop tops. Actually, these ones are folded pretty nicely, so let's not mess that up. Alright guys, so I did buy this like extra clothing and I wanted to put like my underwear and stuff in there because they're in these like little baskets right now. So I think I am gonna fill this up right now. It's not that cute, but it's functional and like this door closes, so if I really wanted to hide my closet I could. And then I think I'm kind of done actually, and a lot more shelving should be cleared off. And maybe I can do like some workout gear in there as well, maybe like workout tops, because those do get a little disorganized in that corner. Okay, sorry if you can hear my dryer in the background, but tell me if these things don't annoy the absolute heck out of you. I hate them so much. I have like 4 in here, and like, why do they have to make them removable? Either buy it without padding, totally fine, or make it non-removable so it doesn't like fall out. And have you ever noticed like when you take it out of the dryer or anything like that, they're all messed up inside. You have to like caress it and like stick your hand in that little flap and like move it around. Just a pet peeve of mine. I really hate those things. This bottom drawer is gonna be all socks. I have so many socks. I think like all my big socks. I might leave my smaller like daily socks out. All right, so my socks I put in here. These are like the ones I wear every day. So I think I'm gonna leave these in here and put them back where they were because that was a fine place for them. And then this one, I'm gonna do swimsuits. These are my suits and I also have more. So I'm gonna go through. All right, so let's go through my swimsuits. So I had that pile, these, and then I also have these. I don't really wear this very much, so I think it's gonna go in the drawer behind me. This one and the bottoms, I wear this one all the time, so I'm gonna put that in there. This one is really cute. It has deodorant all over it right now, but I love the style of it. I don't have matching bottoms for this one, but I think I'm gonna put that in there because I wear it. This one, I don't really wear ever, so I'm gonna put it in here. All right, so suits in there. Suits I wear a lot, I'm gonna put right here. Loving it. Definitely cleared out some space, but other than that, we're looking pretty good. I have so many hangers left too. Maybe I'll move like, I'm debating if I wanna move my sweaters down here, but I kind of like the way it's set up. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I am gonna bag up all of these clothes just in a garbage bag, and as my friends come over, I'll have them go through it. I think that's a really fun thing to do. Like if you have friends, I don't know why I laughed at that. Like I do have friends, but if you have a lot of friends, I think you guys should do a clothing swap. Honestly, I think that would be such a fun like get together, have everyone go through their closets. Here's the final reveal. Got rid of most of my stuff from this section and we're looking pretty good. Coats, sweaters, jewelry still. Now this is swimsuits, extra hangers. These are just like t-shirts, jeans and pants, crop tops, sweatpants, shorts, and some pants like work pants. I don't actually know what happened here. Not a very organized section. And then skirts right here. And then I have socks. And yeah, I like how it turned out. I think it looks a lot more organized, a lot less cluttered. I mean, it's still cluttered, but it's a closet. What are you gonna do? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.